Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to you and a very warm welcome to Birmingham and to the National Exhibition Centre. My name is Nick Ross. Now, if you don't know already why you've been invited here, I should be astonished to hear a major product announcement, of course, much of which I hope you will have already read about in the newspapers. In fact, as you will hear today, IBM regard this as the most important single product announcement since the launch of the 360, which is what, nearly a quarter of a century ago.
We have tried in developing this system to listen to what you, our most valued customers, have been telling us. You have told us that you need a partnership with a closer understanding of your business needs, and this announcement, we hope, will demonstrate that. You want system solutions. Now, this system delivers not only the hardware, but the software.
The AS400 architecture. Its relational database, 64-bit addressing, layered machine architecture, and single-level storage. Altogether, an unbeatable combination. The architecture supports change and growth, supports a high volume of variety of transactions. It dramatically cuts development time. It doesn't just achieve these objectives, it actually defines new standards in all three areas. This is the system for the future. This is an architecture, ladies and gentlemen, suited to a wide variety of business landscapes, and its arrival couldn't be more timely.
So why should you change your computer system? It is relatively painless to move to AS400, wherever you're coming from. If you're coming from System 36, you switch to a system that has massive growth, a built-in database, and more packages available for your use. If you're coming from System 38, you double your potential growth at the top end, you gain a much wider application portfolio to choose from, you get a far superior communications facility, and the best office software available today. Finally, for the new IBM user, you'll be moving to an architecture that's designed for the future.
You're saying that once it's delivered, I don't know if that's a molded plug on the end of the lead, but virtually all you have to do is plug it in and switch it on, isn't it? A bit more complicated.
Well, I think at the bottom end of the range, with the very compact models, it will be about half an hour before it's up and running. At the top end, with the very big systems, it will be 3 or 4 hours.
Here today, participating in the largest product announcement in the history of IBM. Well, as you heard from our friend up there, there's often concern over new products. But given the competitive climate in today's worldwide computer industry, no company, no matter how extensive its resources, can afford to introduce a new system and squander the first 6, 9, or 12 months of its product life shaking out the bugs. We had almost 700 people in Rochester focusing on testing the software alone. Again, more significantly, we did not restrict the testing to the laboratory environment. We had almost 1,000 customers, agents, and IBM systems engineers exercising this operating system software since November of 1987. In the US alone, we've migrated over 34 million lines of application code to the AS400. This means that more than 250 application packages from more than 150 software vendors are ready today, and more than 500 packages will be available by September.
To take this next step, we're using the technology from our large systems, the usability of our PCs, and combining them with the architectural concepts of System 38 and the application portfolio of System 36. Then we've wrapped them together with systems application architecture and created a very special package. By the end of the day, I hope you'll feel your confidence in IBM is fully justified. Not just in our current products, but also in the star of today's show.
gentlemen, you've heard all about the AS400 system. Now your opportunity. Come and see it, come and touch it, come and use it. Thank you very much indeed.